If you like the video so far, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So now we are going to learn how to capture image from our drone so that we can process it and do lots of different experiments on it. So we will go to our Tello course and we will create a new file, and this file we will call it image capture. And the easiest thing to do is just to copy the standard, you can call this the boilerplate for the Tello drone. You can copy that, and now we can continue with our code. So the image acquisition part is not that hard. What we have to do is we have to write me.stream, and we will turn this stream on. So this stream will give us all the frames one by one, and we can process them. Now, because it is a continuous number of frames, we have to use a while loop. So we will write while true, and here we are going to write that our image is equals to me.getFrame, get underscore frame underscore read, and then we are going to write dot frame. So this will give us the individual image coming from the Tello drone. And now what we can do is we can resize this image if we want to process it faster. So to do that, we need to import our OpenCV library. So we can remove this. This time we are not going to use it. So we can write here import CV2, import CV2, and at the bottom here we are going to write image is equals to cv2.resize, and then we are going to give in our source image, which is img, and then we have to give the size we want to resize it to. For example, we can say 360 by 240. So we are keeping it small, the size of the frame, so that it is faster. So we can format this, and then we can write here cv2.imshow. So this is so that we create a window to display this result. So we will write here imshow, and then we will write here image, and we will say this is the name of the window, and then what do we want to display? We want to display img. So this is the idea, and then we are going to write cv2.waitKey. Now we are writing a wait key because if we don't write this, the frame will shut down before we can actually see it. So we have to give it a delay. So we are giving it a delay of 1 millisecond. So this should work well. And actually, let's do one thing. Let's remove this for now. And let's try it without the resize, and then we will try it with the resize. So let's right click on image capture. Now again, we have to make sure that the Tello drone is connected. Now it has already turned off for me because I didn't turn it on for a while, or I didn't use it for a while. So let's wait for it to connect. Okay, so now that it is connected, let's go to image capture, right click it, and we will run the image capture. So we have the 40% battery left. For image capture, it should not be a problem, and there you go. So this is the stream coming from my drone at this point. You can see, there you go. So right now it's 1280 by 720, and what we can do is if we resize this, it will become quite smaller. So there you go. So now it's much smaller, and you will get some warnings here. Don't worry about these. As long as you're getting the frames, it's fine, and you will see a delay in the frames. Now this is because of the transfer, and this is because of the viewing. In reality, this delay is not that much, but because we are viewing it, we are continuously trying to perform all the graphical computations. That's why it's giving us this delay. So normally we will keep it at this size so that the processing is a little bit easier, and it will be a little bit faster with all the different functions that we use.